Okay, we have in number 70 here, we have a rate type question with a ratio, and we have to do some conversions. And this question really requires you to pay close attention. It's not that difficult if you're paying close attention to the information that's given you and exactly what the question is being asked. So Bryce can type 22 pages in 3 hours. At this rate, approximately, now we're approximating, how long would it take him to type one page? And again, they've written the number one out as a word. All right. So now what we've got to do is we've got to first determine how many pages, just the way I approach it, how many pages does he type in 1 hour? So what I would do there is I would take the 22 pages that he can type over the 3 hour period and break that down into 7.33 hours, excuse me, 7.33 pages in a minute, or excuse me, in an hour. Now, most people will get this wrong in that they will choose 7.3 minutes, and that is answer choice A, and they'll think, great, I'm done. All right. The only thing we've calculated there is how many pages can we do in 1 hour, not anything about minutes yet. So if we can do 7.33 pages in an hour, and there's 60 minutes in an hour, right, then we can break down in that how many minutes would it take us to do one page. So we're doing 7.33 pages in 1 hour. So we'll take the 60 minutes and divide that by 7.33333 repeating, which is how many we can do in 1 hour, and we'll get down to how much it takes us. So it would take us 8.18 or 8.2 minutes to type one page, and then over a 60-minute period we could do 7.3 of those pages, and we could do 22 pages in 3 hours. So we're speculating that it takes 8.2 minutes to do a page. All right, the other way we can kind of check this or look at it is that we can say, okay, how many minutes are in 3 hours? There are 180 minutes in 3 hours. So if we take the 180 minutes and divide it by 8.2, which is page per minute, okay, we come up with 21.95, which is 22 pages in that 3 hours or during that 180 minutes. So that's another way you can also work that, or you can double check your answer.